In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a stop loss and take profit on Tradovate. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. So the first one is if you're actually trading using this quick trader over here above your chart. So if you are doing this and if you want to set a stop loss and take profit, all you have to do over here, there's like, it says day and GTC, and then to the left, there's like this small cogwheel settings button. So you want to click on this button, and then over here, as you can see, it says ATM settings, and in here under type you have to switch to take profit plus stop loss, or of course you could only do stop loss or only do take profit if you want that as well. So to set both, you want to click on here, and then you can set your take profit over here and the stop loss over here as well, and then you can just go ahead and hit save, and that's going to apply a stop loss and a take profit to your next order. Okay, so that's the first way to do this. But then the second one is if you actually just trigger a normal order. So you want to go to the top left, click on this trading button, and as you can see here, you have simple and advanced. So I'm gonna go to advanced right now, and as you can see, of course, you can find whatever you want to trade here. So I'm just going to go with something very simple. Then you want to select buy or sell, the quantity as well here, and then the order type, flags, release, etc. And then over here on the right, you can see it says ATMs and OCO. So you want to go to ATMs, and then here you can of course select the ATM name if you wanna, and then down here you have the type. Again, over here you can set the stop loss and take profit, both, or of course just one of them if you want to, and then from here you can then go and show in and select if you want ticks, delta price, or dollar value, and then you can set your take profit amounts and stop loss amounts as well. Now if you click on this plus button, it's going to allow you to basically create a new one over here as well in case you want to do that, and then whenever you've done it, you can just go and send that specific order, and that's really all you have to do. Okay,
Order filled. Order filled.
that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.